Welcome to Peaceful Living Homes. Today, we explore the charm of ranch-style living, where wide open spaces meet cozy comfort. These single-family homes offer the perfect noise, wrapped in nature and serenity. Picture slow mornings, blooming gardens, and endless sunsets. This is peaceful living at its finest. Imagine waking up to birdsong, sipping coffee on a wraparound porch, and enjoying a garden that feels like your own private park. Ranch-style homes aren't just structures. They're a lifestyle of calm and connection to the land. It's a timeless retreat for the modern soul. Ranch-style homes are America's quiet treasure. With their single-level layouts and sprawling backyards, they invite simplicity and ease. Whether you're raising a family or retiring in peace, these homes offer a grounded beauty that feels both nostalgic and new. These peaceful ranch homes blend rustic charm with elegant design. From warm wood finishes to flowering gardens, every corner whispers comfort. It's not just about space. It's about how the space makes you feel safe, inspired, and deeply at home. What makes these homes truly special? It's the seamless flow between indoors and out. Large windows bathe each room in sunlight, while patios open to gardens blooming with color. Here, nature isn't just nearby, it's part of your everyday life. Think of evenings spent under the stars, grilling in your backyard, kids laughing through sprinkler mist. These ranch-style homes were made for moments like these, simple joys, shared with family, framed by nature's calm embrace. Each home we show you today captures something rare, a slower rhythm, a gentler pace, a space that invites you to breathe. In a fast world, ranch-style living is your invitation to slow down and live fully, right where you are. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature.